Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your wrapping paper in something very beautiful, so you can recycle your wrapping papers. Don't throw them away, because you can make a lot of beautiful projects with them. With those papers I made paper flowers that are in my channel. But before I explain everything, first thing first, please subscribe to my channel because it will help me to develop more. Also, watch the rest of the videos because I'm sure that you're going to find them very useful. There are a lot of tips and tricks for junk journals. So let's get started. As I said, I already used those beautiful papers for my paper flowers that you can see in my channel. They're very easy to make. You don't need a lot of stuff. You can use a lot of dyes in the process of making those beautiful how should I say, collages, probably. This is the best way to describe those papers that I made. So it's going to be very easy and it's going to be very fun. So let's get started. Let me just sit. As I said, I have this wrapping paper from Candies, and this paper was straight, but I decided to crumble it because I like vintage things. This is the reason why it looks like that. I'm going to take one little piece from it, like this one, and the rest of it I'm going to leave for different projects. I'm going to use distress sprays and distress paints. Also, I have the intention to use stencils and some what was it? Pastes, like antique pastes. And of course my stencils. Let me just read them. Okay, and my stencils, as I said. So it's going to be very easy. First, let me take my spray. This is cracked pistachio, like distress spray. And I'm going to take this spiced marmalade spray. Okay. Let me just put my camera a little more here. It's going to be better, like that. Okay. And I'm going to use my distress paints to make few circles here and there. I forget to take napkins, and right now my paper is wet. Just let me go and take some napkins and I will come. Okay, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'm just making circles with this paint. And I'm going to use this paint that is ripe persimmon. I don't know that I read it well. I'm really sorry. Okay, and let me choose my stencils. Okay. So I'm going to use this patina antique paste that I have from Stamperia. Because I want to make those beautiful flowers, red. And next I'm going to take this here and I'm going to take one of my let me see, this golden paste again, because I would like to make something Okay, I'm not going to put different colors, I mean many colors, because I wanted to make it more vintage. Just take this one here. It's going to look very beautiful, I hope, of course. Okay, I think that I'm ready now. Let me just close this one here. Okay, so I don't have the intention to put more colors, because I don't want to spoil, I mean, spoil. I want to destroy this beautiful vintage look that I made, as you can see. It looks very beautiful. And I'm going to take, let me just remove the stencils that I have here. I'm going to take some golden paint that is with makeup powder. Probably I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to take a little water. Let me just reach the bottle to make some little splashes over the paper. Okay, a little more. I love golden sparkles when I make my digital products, I put a lot of golden sparkles if I have, every time actually, or not every time of course. Okay, I'm done. Just let me remove the water and let me close my bottle. Okay, I'm ready. So this is my paper. As you see, there are a lot of golden sparkles here and there. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. One more time, please subscribe for my channel. Also like this video and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.